Hi, this is Teacher J and welcome to Minds Tutorial. And yung lesson natin ngayon is about geometry, particularly a circle. Yung pinaka-topic natin is hahanapin natin yung area of the shaded part. Pero bago yan, kilalanin muna natin yung circle. Sabihin natin this is circle O. So, ilalagay ko lang dito yung O. Kasi yung circle, pinangalanan siya. Depende kung ano yung name ng center niya. Okay? So, ito yung center. Okay? Kung makikita natin yung circle, meron tayong dalawang line segment which are drawn from the center going to any point on the circle. That is what we call radius. Okay? So, meron tayo dito dalawang radii. This one, ito, at saka ito. Okay? So, meron din dito yung shaded part. Ang tawag dito is sector. Okay? Ito yung hahanapin natin. The area of the shaded part. Okay? So ngayon, paano ba natin hahanapin yung area ng sector? Okay, the first thing na gagawin mo is you have to find, of course, you have to find the area of this portion. This one here. Okay? Kung makikita natin, yung dalawang radii natin is forming a right angle. So, ibig sabihin, that yung measure ng angle na to is 90 degrees. Okay? At alam naman natin na yung buong circle has a measure of 360 degrees. Right? So, ngayon, focus tayo doon sa area. Okay? We have to find the area of the shaded part. But, parang medyo mahirap, right? So, ang gagawin natin dito is, gagamitin natin yung formula ng, okay, finding the area of a circle, which is area equals to pi r squared. Okay? Ito yung the formula in finding the area of the circle. Okay? Magagamit natin to find the area of this portion here. Okay? So, since kung makikita natin, this portion is just 1/4 of the whole circle. Right? So, dahil 1/4 siya, i-divide lang natin yung i-divide natin yung formula ng 4. Okay? So, area is equal to pi r squared divided by 4. And ito na yung formula to find the area of this portion here. Okay? Which is 1/4 of the whole circle. Paano ba natin kinukuha to? We can also do this one. Okay? Diba yung measure dito ng angle is 90 degrees? Pwede din natin gamitin to 90 degrees pi over the whole, which is 360 degrees. And of course, 90 over 360 can still be simplified. So, 90 over 360, that is the same as 1/4, right? 1/4 pi r squared. So, area is equal to 1/4 pi r squared, which is the same. Okay? So, ngayon, let us identify the values. Okay? So, area, pi is equivalent to 3.14, that is constant, times the radius is 5 squared divided by 4. Okay? And then, we have here area is equal to, of course, you have to express this first into standard form. Kasi yung 5 natin is in exponential form. So, gagawin natin dyan is, we have to express that into a standard form. So, 5 squared is 5 times 5. So, that is 25. So, this becomes 3.14 times 5 squared is 25. Divided by 4. Okay? And now, we have to multiply 3.14 times 25. So, 314 times 25. 5 times 4, that is 20. Bring down 0, carry 2. 5 times 1, that is 5, plus 2, that is 7. and 5 times 3, that's 15. And 2 times 4, that is 8. 2 times 1, that is 2. 2 times 3, that is 6. And of course, we have to add the partial products. So 0, that is 15. Bring down 5, carry 1. That is 8. And this is 7. And we have to count the number of decimal places here. So 1, 2, 1, 2. So the answer is area is equal to 78.50 divided by 4. Okay? So we have to divide 78.50 divided by 4. So that is 7 divided by 4, that is 1. 1 times 4, that is 4. 7 minus 4, that is 3. Bring down 8. So 38 divided by 4, that is 9. And 9 times 4, that is 36. And 38 minus 36, that is 2. Bring down 5. And of course, you have to just copy the decimal point there. So 25 divided by 4, that is 6. 6 times 4, that is 24. And 25 minus 24, that is 1. Bring down 0, that is 10. 10 divided by 4, that is 2. Okay, 2 times 4, that is 8. And 10 minus 8, that is 2. Of course, we have to add 0. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 4, that is 5. So the area is 19.625. Now, since the unit is centimeters, so then we have this unit as centimeter squared. Now, this is now the area of this portion, which is 1/4 of the whole circle. Okay? Now, we are not yet done because our goal here is to find this area. To find this area, kailangan din natin hanapin yung area ng triangle. Okay? Ano ba yung area? Ano ba yung formula in finding the area of a triangle? This is the formula. A is equal to base times the height divided by 2. Bakit divided by 2? Remember that a triangle is a half of a quadrilateral. If you are going to make an imaginary line there, like this, it forms a square, right? So, and triangle is 1/2 of this square. Okay? So, balik tayo dito sa formula. Ngayon, let us identify the base and the height. Okay? Base, this is the base. Okay? In a triangle. And this is the height of a triangle here. So the base is 5. So we have here 5 times, what is the height? The height is still 5. Remember that all the radii in the circle are equal. This is a radius, this is radius. So if this is 5 centimeters, so then this is also 5 centimeters. So that is 5 times 5. Okay? Divided by 2. So that is 5 times 5 equals 25. Divided by 2. That is 12.5 centimeters squared. This is the area of the triangle. Okay? So, meron na rin tayong area ng quarter circle. Itong quarter circle, yung 1/4 of the circle. Meron na din tayong area sa ating triangle. So, ibig sabihin, pwede na nating kunin ang area in this part. How are you going to find the area of the sector? Simply lang, you have to subtract the area, that is the area of the sector is equal to the area of the quarter circle minus the area of the triangle. So we have now the area of our quarter circle, which is equivalent to 19.625 centimeters squared minus 12.5. That is, if you can subtract that, that is 19.625 minus 12.5. That is 5, 2, 1. Then 9 minus 2, that is 7. And 1 minus 1 is 0. So the answer is 7.125 centimeters squared. This is now the area of this portion, the sector. That is equivalent to 7.125 centimeters squared. Okay, so that's all for today about geometry and finding the area of the sector or the shaded part. So I hope na may natutunan ka. Okay? So kung makikita mo, it is not difficult, di ba? Madali lang if you really know what to do, kung alam mo on how to visualize the problem. So talagang madali lang. I hope na hindi mo siya makalimutan. And thank you so much for watching, and do not forget to like and share this video, and wag mo na rin kalimutan i-subscribe and i-follow yung Facebook page ko, Minds Online Tutorial and Math TV Lessons, and also mayroon din akong video on YouTube, that is Math TV Lessons channel. So please visit the channel and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!